Okay, what do we got next? Ooh, knucklehead crap. Yeah, that's a knucklehead crap. That'll be a knuckle tin. Don't know which one. Cut the tube off. That's the oil line return. So it's got the clip on it. Yep. Good. So you got the cup, you got the lid, and you got the reinforcement piece with the threads. That goes underneath this. And then you just have sheet metal screws that tighten it up. Pretty crude. That's why they leak like a sieve. Yep. I don't know, it looks pretty good. It's not all rusty, surprisingly. It's not bent to hell. It's just they had the tube was all. Looks like they ripped the tube off. It looks like it's been all bent back and forth and ripped it off. But yeah, looks pretty good. So I don't know which one it is. It's one of them. But anyway, knuckle cover. All right, that's it for that. Okay, we're back. All right, see what the rest of this stuff is here. Yeah, there, that's how you get in the bag. Didn't want to cut, rib it open. Right, that's it. Put a plastic bag. Don't see anything in it. It's kind of heavy though. It's like a limp dick. Something wrong with it. It's like a broke dick. There's something here in the end. Some kind of nuts. Oh, okay, I see what it is now. Knucklehead parts. Oh, geez. Scratched it now. Throw it away. No good. Knucklehead nuts. Rocker shaft. There's your tin cover. Nut goes in there. Goes over here and tightens it down. It's supposed to be a shaft sticking through. It goes right about there. So anyway, there's your nut. Gives you a knucklehead looking vehicle when you put that on in there. Yeah, pretty sure these are not genuine. So anyway, got 3 out of 4. How many do you need? 2 good chrome ones and 1 used chrome one. That's good enough. Don't get too much knucklehead stuff. I'm surprised we're getting this much. That's a whole bunch. Now we got 3 nuts and 1 cover. Almost got a whole bike now. We can call this stuff 36 and really make it valuable. 36 knucklehead crap. Yeah. I don't think so though. Probably 39 enough. Okay, that's it for knucklehead junk.